Hello, in this video we will learn about mirror command. So mirror command is in modify panel. You can use a shortcut of mirror as MI. So it will activate the mirror command. I will just go here in modify panel and I will activate this mirror command from here. This is the icon for mirror. So I will click over here and then at command line you can just see it is asking as select the object that you want to mirror. So I want to just mirror this object. So I will select this one and I will hit enter. Now again you can see here at command line it is prompting as select the object. Okay, specify first point of a mirror line. So it is just giving you the option that along which line do you want to mirror. So I want to mirror along this line, so I will just select this as a first point and then as second point as this point, and you can see here it is going to mirror along this. I will click over here and at command line again you can see one option as erase source object. So this is the source object, and if you want to just erase this one, simply you have to just write here Y and hit enter. And if you want to keep this source object as here, so in that case you will just click on no. Okay, and click over here. Now you can see here it is going to mirror along this line. Now again I want to just mirror this object at a distance of 20 unit. You can see here I have just create a line over a distance of 20 units, so it will just mirror up to 20 unit distance. So I will just go here to activate this mirror. I will just select the source object. I will hit enter. Now it is prompting as specify first point, so I want to mirror along this line, so I will give this as the first point and this as the second point, and I will just click on no as I want to keep this object, so I will just select no. And you can see here this object mirror along this line, and the distance between this line will be 20 units. So we can just check it over here. I will just go here and this 20 unit. Okay, now let me just mirror this again, this triangle here. Again I will go here and I will select this one. I will hit enter. Now I will just give first point as this point and second as this point, and I will click on no. Now this object mirror along this line, and hope you understand that how we can just mirror the object. Let me give you one more example here. For example, this is the door you can see here, and I want to just mirror it over here. Here I have to just mention the door. So in this case again I will go in mirror and I will select that particular door and I will hit enter. Now this is the center point as I want to just mirror it over here, so the distance should be mirror from this point to this point, and in this case I have just mentioned a line over center, so it will take a distance as this point to this point and it will mirror over here. Okay, so let's see how to do this. I will just click over one, okay, and second point as this point, and you can see here this door is going to mirror here. Okay, now let me just click on no to keep the source object here, and this is how you can use mirror command. Hope you understand this session. See you in the next.